Hello student, this is class 10th science chapter 11 and part 5. In this video we will discuss some applications of atmospheric refraction. The second application is star near the horizon appear slightly higher than their actual position. Refractive index of Earth atmosphere in general increases from top to bottom. So the light coming from a star near the horizon has to travel from rare to denser medium, and it bends towards the normal. As a result, the star appears higher. The second application is star near the horizon appear slightly higher than their actual position because the refractive index Ri of Earth's atmosphere in general increases from top to bottom. Suppose this is the star. Suppose this is a star. This is a star. The light coming from a star. Suppose this is the light coming from a star near the horizon has to travel from near rare to denser medium. It passes through a rare to denser medium. Suppose the first light is passed in a straight line, then it bend in the denser medium S, and then it appear as straight in rare medium and then bent in denser medium. So as a result, the star appears higher. Second application is twinkling of stars and apparent position. When light from star passes through atmosphere that mix continuously, so when star is in line of sight it is visible, and when out of sight it is not visible. So appear to twinkle. The third application is twinkling of star and apparent position. Suppose this is a star and this is human eye. When the light of stars pass through an atmosphere, because the atmosphere has different layer which has different refractive index. So when stars light pass through a rare medium, it travels in straight line, and when it pass through a denser medium, then it bend in a angle. So it represented as when this light is passed through a straight line, then star is visible. Then it is visible. And when it passes through a denser medium, then it bends in a angle, so it is not visible. So appear to twinkle. Fourth obligation is advance sunrise and delayed sunset. The sun appears about 2 minutes earlier than actual sunrise, and the sun remains visible for about 2 minutes after actual sunset. When then is below horizon, the rays have to pass from rare to denser medium. So rays bend towards the normal. As a result, the sun appears higher than its actual position. Next, fourth application is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. When the sun is below horizon, the rays have to pass from rare to denser medium. So rays bend towards the normal as a result. Because the sun rays bend, sun rays pass through a rare to denser medium. In rare medium is it pass in a straight line and then bend in denser medium. So rays bend towards the normal. As a result, it appears higher than its actual position. So in this, the sun appears higher than its actual position. The first question is why planets do not twinkle. Answer is planets are very close to us, due to which size of apparent image so large which falls outside the line of sight, due to which they do not twinkle. The question is why planets do not twinkle. Because the planets contain a point sources of light also, so it contains the point sources of lights, a point sources of light. When some light pass through a rare to denser medium, then the point source light travels in a straight line. So we see only a constant rays, so the planets do not twinkle. Because the planet contain point sources of light. The second question is why sun appears bigger during sunset and sunrise. Answer is during sunset or sunrise the rays of light travel through maximum length of atmosphere. Reflection is maximum, hence apparent image is closer to eyes. Eyes appear bigger. The second question is why sun appears bigger during sunset and sunrise. Suppose this is the horizon. Because this is the horizon. When sun coming up from horizon, then it is called sunrise. When the sun coming down in horizon, then it is called sunset. So during sunset or sunrise, the rays of light travel through maximum length of atmosphere. Reflection is maximum, hence apparent image is closer to eyes appear bigger.